All right, so let's talk about what it takes to build an EXO, right? We have a 12-step program.
Had to be 12 steps.
It had to be 12 steps. You want to hark back to kind of things that work. Let's go through some of these steps, and Peter, jump in when.
Yeah, we'll go back and forth on this.
Step one, and most important, is what is your MTP? Okay.
Hopefully you've heard this over and over again enough that it is sunk in.
We will beat this into you, and because it's been beaten into us, you have to select what fundamental problem you want to solve. Right? So that's step one. And you use the Moonshot Planner tool that Peter mentioned. Use your own devices. We have an MTP tool ourselves. Ask your friends, when I was younger, what did I say, what I wanted to do? What fundamental problem do you want to solve, and go
By
after
the way,
it.
once you have your MTP, I want you to challenge yourself at a cocktail party to share it out loud. Don't be embarrassed by it. My massive transformative purpose is, and what the hell is an MTP? You explain it. And by the way, when you go outward facing with your MTP, it brings people to you. You'll be amazed. Oh, you've got to meet this person over here. I've got a friend you've got to be connected with. It's a magnet to bring partners, community to you.
When I say at a cocktail party, I want to transform civilization, it doesn't really work. So I think I got to think about that. All right, so number one, you've got your MTP. Okay. Number two, critical, join or create communities around that MTP. So if your MTP is cure cancer, okay, you can either create community around that because there's lots of people interested in that, or go to platforms like Meetup or others that have thousands of user groups and existing communities that you can join. Why? You want to find like-minded people, you want to share that MTP, you want to build a community or connect your MTP to the largest group of people possible around you. So build and connect or just join communities that reflect your values in your MTP.
Yeah. The worst thing you want to do is have a team split because we have different purposes.
Yeah.
MTP is like pulling a string. It unifies, it pulls you together.
That's right.
So composing a team around that based on your MTP is fundamental.
By the way, in the future, I think we'll be hiring based on the alignment of an individual's MTP with the company's MTP. Because if there's not alignment on that, there's no point really working together on things, right? So that's going to be kind of a prediction for the future. All right, step three is put a team together. And here we recommend 4 roles: a CEO, founder type visionary, a product person, a builder, and a business model finance person, okay? And lots of startup theory has around what composition should be. You and I have been talking about the idea from Jeremiah Owyang and a few others that the next billion-dollar company will be 3 people leveraging OpenAI and some of the other LLMs out there, where the CEO takes care of vision and marketing. The product guy is building, using LLMs to build the product, and the operations guy is making sure all the AI chatbots are operating. And we think that will be the next billion-dollar company.